In our rapidly evolving world, success is defined by turning challenges into opportunities. With enough foresight and ingenuity, the complex problems of today can become the achievements of tomorrow. I'm Fred Thompson. From business and technology to healthcare and the environment, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to Inside Business. I'm Fred Thompson, and I'm Inside Business. Now, technology may have been born from the synergy between science and industry, but the ultimate value of any technology lies in the power it exerts to better people's lives. Let's learn how the latest technological developments are advancing the human cause.
Every year, fires kill thousands of people, cost millions of dollars in damage, and release harmful toxins into the environment. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, deaths from fires and burns are the fifth most common cause of unintentional injury deaths in the United States. In order to reduce building fires and the toxicity they emit, the U.S. government and private industry are seeking new ways to make products and materials, such as plastic, more flame retardant, and yet more environmentally friendly.
The world consumes about 250 million tons of plastic per year. They're used in all types of applications, from television sets, computers, fax machines, to cars. One of the major issues of plastics is that they are based on oil, and as a result, they burn. And so to make them safer for the consumer, the government has imposed regulations to make them flame retardant.
Flame retardant additives make our products safer in terms of fire prevention. However, the majority today contain an additive known as bromine. The average television set, if not formulated to be flame retardant, contains an equivalent to 1.3 gallons of gasoline if it were to come in contact with an ignition source, which can quickly engulf a room in minutes. However, the plastics industry is urgently seeking green alternatives.
Brominated flame retardants have been used for many, many decades. But recent studies have shown that they do not biodegrade and they persist in the environment, and as a result they eventually get into the food chain. And due to toxicity concerns, the European Union has banned them in 2006.
More than 60% of all flame retardant plastics use bromine.
Since the ban of BFRs in Europe, many major global consumer electronics manufacturers have banned BFRs. As a matter of fact, they've gone much further and banned the use of chlorine in many of their products. This has created a tremendous opportunity to innovate, and FRX finds itself in the very fortunate position to be in the middle of all of that.
This flame test shows examples of polystyrene flaming and dripping upon contact with a 2200 degrees Celsius propane flame. Toxic black smoke also billows from the melting plastic. Another type of plastic, in this case polycarbonate, also flames upon contact. Black smoke also appears. However, when FRX Polymers plastic is exposed to the same flame, it does not burn and does not give off black smoke.
FRX Polymers has the opportunity to revolutionize the flame retardant plastics industry with the invention of its phosphorus-based, inherently flame retardant engineering thermoplastics.
Ticona Engineering Polymers is one of the world's largest suppliers of polyester plastics. Ticona has been active for more than 10 years in developing and marketing non-halogenated flame retardant plastic formulations.
Well, at Ticona, we're constantly incubating ideas and researching new technologies, and one of the areas that we've had success is in non-hal additives for our polyester line. We're pretty excited about the potential that FRX Polymers can bring to Ticona.
There are some challenges to the FR additive itself, so it has to be non-toxic and non-migrating, and that's not the case for liquid additives. Also, it's not allowed that it affects the mechanical properties of the finished compound, which is the case for mineral-like additives. Therefore, we see some great benefits for FRX Polymers, which is a plastic itself, and therefore will solve a lot of these issues.
The challenges are the FR additive itself. So besides properties like toxicity or thermostability, it's the physical appearance of the FR additives. For example, if you have a liquid, you can incorporate into a plastic, but it also comes out. That is migration. On the other case, if you have a mineral-like additive, you can also make a compound, but it affects the mechanical properties. That means the plastic becomes brittle. So the most favorable solution if you can melt blend to polymers, and that's the case for FRX Polymers.
The flame retardant plastics market is a very dynamic market. Over the last 5 years, FRX has developed a very novel solution for this market. Our solution is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and will bring tremendous benefit to this industry. And as a result, we intend to be a major player in the field of flame retardant plastics.
To learn more about this story, please visit www.frxpolymers.com.